My name is Suchit Bachalli, President, Unilog Content Solutions, and we're here at the SIM2 Users Group 2016. Very excited to have Mike Noble from Apruve, CEO, founder. Apruve is a revolutionary B2B payments processing company partnered with Unilog and SIM2. Mike, first of all, welcome to Orlando. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about Apruve.
Yeah, so we manage and finance corporate accounts. So what does that mean? A lot of businesses aren't going to go through an e-commerce checkout and click PayPal to pay. They pay on terms, net 30, etc. There's a big kind of accounts receivable process that happens within that for doing credit approval, collections. It's essentially an army of humans. For a CFO of a company selling a physical good, their daily sales outstanding numbers hover around 45. They have a lot of cash flow issues. Apruve handles all of that. So we work within an e-commerce platform like SIM2. We do automated credit approval for a customer, and then we handle all the invoicing, payment reminders, and collections. So Mark Andreessen is very famous for saying software is going to eat the world, and we eat AR.
That's fascinating, and that's clearly one of the reasons why we decided to partner with Apruve. Tell me a little bit about how you started the company, what sort of is the genesis of Apruve, and how you got to be where you are today.
Yeah, the original idea was that to build approval workflows into a shopping cart. So in businesses, businesses aren't spending your own money, you're spending someone else's. And so a lot of times in the procurement process, someone needs their manager or accounts payable to sign off on it. So the first product we actually built allowed someone to capture that shopping cart and then send it to a third party for payment and approval. Once we had built that, we started to understand more about the pain of purchase orders, the pain of credit approval, the pain around managing a corporate account where a customer's making hundreds of orders in a month, but they want a single invoice for payment on net 30 terms. And e-commerce platforms aren't necessarily built for that, and we handle that process.
What is the sort of common theme that you see with B2B and the primary issues? So if you had to give us an example of a customer or a client that uses Apruve and was able to drastically increase efficiencies and AR spend, what would that look like for a typical SIM2 or even any other e-commerce platform customer?
Yeah, today they probably have a credit application that's downloaded as a PDF and faxed into a human. That human is going through some kind of manual credit approval process. Maybe they're using D&B or a tool like that. Mm-hmm. And then they can extend payment terms to that customer. But then they also have a team of people that's following up with phone calls. They have a line of credit out with their bank already just to float all this capital that they've extended to their customer.
Right.
That's a typical scenario that we walk into and then promote roughly 60 to 70% cost savings around that picture. So how that's being handled today offline, if you move that process to an automated workflow and financing tool like Apruve, you literally achieve a very, very significant cost savings around that.
That's absolutely right. I've always felt that the trade credit, that's the trade offered between businesses, is sort of the glue that keeps all of this together. Not only do wholesale distributors offer stocking and inventory, but they also offer the credit terms to their customers, which is sort of invaluable.
Huge customer retention.
Exactly. So it causes, I think, for customer relationships to be better, more stickiness, sort of lifetime value of the customer goes up exponentially.
Absolutely. I mean, businesses aren't shopping, they're doing procurement. It's different than being a consumer. Right. They're paying for things differently, they're shopping differently. Apruve is designed to make that B2B procurement experience really smooth for that buyer and equally as essentially outsourced and smooth for the seller side.
Right. Again, Mike, thank you so much for coming out. We really appreciate the partnership. Looking forward to many years of working together.
Thank
you very much.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you.